Hey everyone! The Chuwi AuBox X is one of those compact systems that tries to punch above its weight, and with the latest refresh, it gets closer than expected to delivering a genuinely versatile small form factor experience. At first glance, it might seem like a routine mid-cycle upgrade, but the shift to the newer Intel Core Ultra platform, specifically the Core Ultra 7 256V, quietly transforms what this tiny machine is capable of. Design-wise, the AuBox X sticks to what Chuwi does best: minimalism and practicality. Its 0.67-liter chassis is extremely compact, making it ideal for cramped desks, minimalist setups, or even as a discrete living room PC. It doesn't try to be flashy or overly stylized, instead focusing on functionality and efficient use of space. That said, the small size doesn't come across as restrictive. The real story here is performance. Moving from the Intel Core Ultra 5 226V to the Core Ultra 7 256V might sound like a modest upgrade on paper, but the difference becomes much clearer when you consider the integrated graphics. The jump from Intel Arc 130V to Arc 140V is what truly defines this updated configuration. With 8 Battlemage cores under the hood, the Arc 140V iGPU brings the AuBox X into a category where casual gaming and even some AAA titles become realistically playable. For users who want more graphical horsepower, the inclusion of a USB 4 port opens the door to external GPU setups. It's not quite as ideal as having an Oculink connection, which would provide lower latency and better bandwidth, but it's still a meaningful option for enthusiasts who want to extend the system's capabilities. Connectivity is another area where the device performs well. Chuwi has managed to include a surprisingly rich selection of ports, making the system adaptable to a wide range of use cases. With multiple USB-A ports, dual HDMI 2.1 outputs, DisplayPort, and a fully functional USB-C port with power delivery, it can handle multi-monitor setups, peripherals, and modern accessories without the need for excessive dongles. The inclusion of 2.5G LAN also hints at its suitability for more demanding networking tasks, whether that's content streaming, file transfers, or even light server duties. Wireless connectivity doesn't fall behind either. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4, the AuBox X feels up-to-date and ready for modern ecosystems. Internally, the system strikes a good balance between performance and expandability. The 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM ensures smooth multitasking for most workloads, although it's worth noting that this type of memory is typically soldered, limiting upgrade options. What makes this mini PC particularly appealing is how it positions itself between categories. It's compact enough to serve as a simple office or home PC, yet powerful enough to handle creative tasks, light gaming, and even some development workloads. At its current promotional price of $759, the AuBox X feels competitively placed, especially considering the upgraded CPU and improved integrated graphics. The value becomes even more compelling when you factor in its versatility and future-proofing options, like USB 4 and PCIe 5.0 storage support. Overall, the updated Chuwi AuBox X doesn't try to reinvent the mini PC formula, but it refines it in meaningful ways. By focusing on a stronger iGPU, maintaining a compact yet practical design, and offering a solid mix of connectivity and expandability, it becomes a well-rounded option for users who want a small system without sacrificing too much capability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.